hair tutorial with the Bella ceramic curling iron going. Love this new curling iron. I'm going to turn it on to heat up. It goes from off to 180, 230, 300, 340, 380, 410. I'm gonna go down to 380. Let's try that. Let that heat up. And I washed my hair last night, just rough blew it dry, went to bed. So it's not an ideal blowout before I curl, but it'll do. I love this Leonge heat protectant, glass hair thermal blowout primer. So I'm gonna put some of that on. And I also, you know, I love my Money Mist Color Wow. So I'm gonna put a little of that too. Okay. I do want you to know that I am complete amateur when it comes to curling my hair. So I haven't really used a real curling iron in a long time, but I decided I needed to. So I purchased this one from Bella and absolutely love it. It comes with a mitt, protectant mitt, and a protectant case to slide it into. I actually have it on my counter, but when I travel, I will definitely use that. Okay, like I said, I am a complete amateur. I'm kind of a scaredy cat because I'm always afraid of burning myself. This heats up really quick. It's ready to go. So I'm just going to clip it as close to the root, turn it, and then pull this through. And then I'm going to slide, turn, slide. Really easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Slide, slide. And you know, you can twist it a little bit while it's still warm and let that rest. Okay, and I'm going to do the other side. I feel so confident with this curling iron that I really haven't felt the need to use the heat protectant glove. I might try it in a minute, but I may regret saying that in a minute. Hopefully not. So on this side, I'm going to go down. Get that curl in there. And you know, I'm doing this side a little different than the other side. That's when you can really see my amateurness. I can straighten that end a little bit with this one if I feel like I need to. And flip it with my fingers. Now, I don't have a ton of thick hair to do a bunch of sections. I have fine hair. So, for you fine hair gals, this is a great curling iron. It does not pull your hair. If you know, you know. You hate when that happens. And that's one reason I needed a curling iron, because I can't remember what it's called, one of those lunge ones that's got the little air vents that blows as it's doing straightening or curling. I should have sent the thing back when I got it years ago because it pulls my hair. And I kept thinking I just didn't know what I was doing, but I've tried everything and it pulls my hair. I've seen other people use it and they seem to not have that problem, but no matter what I do, it pulls my hair. And I've got other Leonge products that I love, especially my curling blow dryer that I usually use, that I didn't use last night, that would have helped with this hair today. But, because those ends are a little, there we go. And I'm just curling to the back. And of course, when you get to the back, you can curl either side. It doesn't matter, whatever's most comfortable. But this curling iron is amazing, and the customer service is top notch. Like, it's easy to register for your 2-year warranty. And mind you, this curling iron's less than $70. And they have different sizes. I got the 1-inch barrel. But they contact you to check to see how it's going, if you like it, if you're having any issues. And they don't just contact you once, they contact you, they keep following up. So shout out to Ruth with Bella and the terrific customer service. I've never had bought a product and had this great of care and concern for their products and the customers that purchase them. I'm gonna do a little more right there because I released it a little bit earlier than I planned to, but it's so freaking easy. Okay. I don't have any mousse or volumizer, anything like that in my hair like I would have if I had blown it out this morning, right before curling. But it's still curling. Get close to that root, wrap it around. And I can see where the gloves would come in handy if you want to press that hair up against the barrel. So that's probably something I should start doing when I get to this top layer. I'll try that. I don't know. I'll try it later. I love that this opens really wide. Easily slides down your hair. My ends are, like I said, not ideal because of the way I washed last night and blew out just a rough dry. So we have to work on those ends just a little bit, get them smoother. Well, see how I did that crease in there? That's not good. I can fix it though. Yeah, I need the glove. Okay, it's the real deal. Y'all know me. I'm not gonna fake it. Let's do this. I'll go back to that curl bit. Okay. See, this is where you can see I'm amateur, but I'm learning. I'm learning. Maybe I need to go down. Yeah. Wrap it around. There we go. Yeah. Okay. I'm sweating with this hoodie on in here. Oops. There we go. There we go. Was quick. I might do that one more time. I think I released it a little too early for the ends. Yeah. Okay, I do like that glow. Okay, I did say there was a piece I was gonna go back to. There we go. Okay, let's see. I don't know how it looks in the back, but oh, not my table lamp. Of course, I'll have to sort out these screws. Okay, I did not bring my flexible hold spray in here, so hold on. Okay, so I'll do a little spray. This is just my bedhead TG, keep it casual, flexible hold that I really like. And I just wanted to show you the box this curling iron came in. I wish I could peel this sticker off so I could read. Maybe I can. What's underneath there? Yeah, effortlessly calm. That's true. Ella Bella. And when you open it up, it gives you a little QR code scanning thing to immediately do your 2-year warranty. It also on the back tells you that it thanks you for choosing Ella Bella, and they say if you have any hair or product questions, you contact Ella Bella experts, available 24/7 at hello@ellabella.com. And they want to personally hear from you. Contact Ruth at Ella Bella. Ruth is the one that texted me multiple times to check and see how I was enjoying the product. I mean, amazing. I got it off Amazon. I'll put the price up here, under 70 bucks. I've never bought a hair tool in that price range that works like this one. Even I haven't bought a hair tool above that price range that works as effortlessly as this one. And just, I mean, so gentle to the hair, yet makes a great curl. I did not even have it on the highest setting. And I promise you these curls will last me all day, which is amazing for my fine hair. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through, kind of separate those curls. I could add more volume at the roots if I wanted to, but it's just a little lazy kind of day for this retired empty nester. And my husband's actually off today, so we'll just be running around town doing a few things here and there. But I'm excited about traveling with that curling iron. It'll be easy, especially with the travel heat protectant pouch. It came with it. So, and I will take my little heat protectant glove. So yeah. Choose Alabella.